Hello, my name is Shion Aizawa. I'm a student at Southeast Missouri State University. I'm here today at Cape Girardeau County Park North for my HO225 class, Identification and Use of Deciduous Plants. I'll be doing a complete plant profile today of the Populus grandidentata. Unfortunately, I could not find this plant at this park today, but we will make do. Alright, so let's break the name down. Populus comes from the Latin poplar, grandis means large, and dentata means tooth. This plant is part of the Siliciaceae family. Commonly, this tree goes by big tooth aspen, large tooth aspen, American aspen, white poplar, or Canadian poplar. But for this video, I will be referring to this tree by the large tooth aspen. Large tooth aspens can be found in zones 3 to 5, sometimes 6. They're native to southeastern Canada and northeastern United States. Some of the states include Minnesota, south to Illinois, Iowa, Tennessee, and North Carolina. As stated in Michael A. Durr's book, Manual of Woody Landscape Plants, ornamental assets are few, but is valuable for pulpwood and other wood uses. This is true. There are a few ornamental characteristics that this tree provides. Large tooth aspens have alternate, ovate, shiny leaves. The leaves are large toothed, typically dark green, and are gray to mentose. The base of the leaves are flat, attached to 3 to 4 inch long shoots, allowing the leaves to easily ripple or tremble in the wind. Fall colors of the large tooth aspen are mixed. They can display gold, chartreuse, and green all at the same time, although premature leaf dropping can occur if a drought persists. Large tooth aspens are a dioecious tree, meaning that they are either male or female. On both the male and female, there are flowers known as catkins. Catkins are produced on the trees at about 10 years of age, and they are wind pollinated. Catkins can come in different colors and sizes depending on the sex of the tree, and they are considered a desirable ornamental trait. The bark of a young, large tooth aspen is smooth, light, tan to yellowish, or greenish to gray. This color combination often gives the tree an orangish cast, and as the tree matures, the bark becomes darker and deeply furrowed. However, even when the tree ages, the upper trunk and branches retain a smooth, light-colored bark. Large tooth aspens do play a significant role in the lives of many other organisms. Wildlife lovers might desire this plant because over 500 species of plants and animals utilize it. Large tooth aspens can grow in a wide variety of soils and climates, most abundant on sand or loamy sand, but as a single tree or a minor stand, they can grow on almost any soil. They have been found growing at sea level to 915 meters or 3,000 feet in altitude. Large tooth aspens tolerate dry conditions. They prefer full sun and are intolerant to shade. They span in a range of climate conditions from the marine climate of the Atlantic coast to the continental climate of Minnesota and southwestern Ontario. Large tooth aspens are considered a medium-sized tree and grow very rapidly. At maturity, this tree can reach heights of 50 to 70 feet and a spread of 20 to 40 feet, with a trunk diameter of about 20 inches. A developed crown is oval, open, and irregular. Roots of the large tooth aspen are wide-spreading and shallow. Lateral root growth can go as far as 60 feet or 18 meters. This tree can reach its maturity in less than 20 years. Large tooth aspens in landscape setting can be used as an ornamental for its fall multicolored foliage. They can also be used as a shade tree when grown in clusters. They can also be used in an area to be naturalized to create a grove, clump, or cluster of trees. People might also use large tooth aspens in a landscape to attract wildlife, and although they are a tough tree, they are not suitable for urban use due to its thin bark and root suckering. It is best to use this tree in an open setting, such as parks, where its mature size is appropriate. Large tooth aspens are known to be really good at absorbing toxins from the soil and air. The last bit of information I'll be covering about the large tooth aspen today is its common pests and diseases. This includes leaf and shoot blight and oyster shell scales. Leaf and shoot blight are caused by pathogens. These pathogens can stop the growth and cause deformities in terminal shoots. Angular blackish spots on the foliage are one of the earliest symptoms of this disease. Removing and destroying the leaves that drop in the fall helps in reducing the spread of this disease. Oyster shell scales are a pest that can develop on the bark of trunks and limbs and can cause serious injuries to the tree during outbreaks. Oyster shell scales feed by sucking the fluids of cells beneath the bark. The damage done by these pests can kill off cells, leaving the trees susceptible to pathogens. And in extreme cases, the trees can have limb dieback or total death altogether. I hope you found this plant profile helpful, intriguing, and fun to watch. I'd like to give a shout out to my girlfriend Alex Taylor for helping me record this video. But I believe that's all for today, as I got plenty more plants to go study. Thank you.